To set up a Dave app bank account, start by downloading the Dave app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once downloaded, open the app and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will need to verify your identity by providing your social security number and date of birth. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your account is secure and compliant with banking regulations. After verifying your identity, you will be asked to link a funding source to your Dave app account. This can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. You will need to provide the account and routing numbers for your funding source. And you may be asked to verify the account by confirming 2 small deposits made to the account. Once your funding source is linked, you can set up your Dave app account by providing some additional information, such as your address and employment status. You will also be asked to create a username and password to secure your account. With your account set up, you can start using the Dave app to manage your finances. You can track your spending, set budgets, and even get cash advances when you need them. The Dave app also offers a range of features to help you avoid overdrafts and stay on top of your finances. To get the most out of your Dave app account, make sure to regularly review your account activity and update your funding source as needed. You should also take advantage of the app's budgeting and tracking features to stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. By following these steps and using the Dave app responsibly, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information confidential to protect yourself from potential fraud or identity theft.